Turn the lights low, watch the stacks grow. Started with a dream, now it's all cash flow. Stacks. Heartbeat loud every time the back close. Came from the bottom, now the whole team glow. Yeah. Cash flow, money talk, that's the convo. Every step calculated like a combo. No brakes, full speed, that's the motto. Rain turn gold when it drip on the poncho. Cash flow, never going back broke. Eyes on the prize, stay woke. Bit the brick by brick, no joke. Now the safe can't close, overload. Late nights plotting at the blueprints. Now the view high, looking down through the new tent. Same ones that I wanna ask with a proof win. I just point at the numbers, that's the blueprint. No shortcuts, learn patience. Every loss turn less into greatness. Pressure make diamonds, no faking. Now the spotlight bright, no shaking. Hey, remember cold days, no heat. Now the wrist so bright, make the night look weak. I stay 10 toes, didn't fold, didn't cheat. Now opportunity knocking every week. Yeah, I was quiet but determined. Tables turning, now the tide keeps surging. Hard work, echo, that's the verdict. Let success talk, no sermon. Cash flow, money talk, that's the convo. Every step calculated like a combo. No brakes, full speed is the motto. Rain turn gold with a drip on the poncho. Cash flow, never going back, bro. Never. Eyes on the prize, stay woke. Bit the brick by brick, no joke. Now the safe can't close, overload. Yeah. My money tone heavy for the ground shake. Big vision only, never small stakes. Every move sharp like a chess play. Checkmate energy, that's the hedge pace. People switch when the glow different, but loyal to the only code written. Circle tight, that's precision. Clear focus, tunnel vision. From nothing to something amazing. Now the horizon look adjacent. Fear try stopping the pacing. Faith kept fueling the racing. Tatted out, take a vacation. I'm too locked in, no hesitation. Future break, no simulation. Double pay or dedication. Hands up if you came from the climb. If you turned every loss into a sign. Let's go. Timing perfect, all aligned. Now the shine impossible to hide. Yeah. Cash flow, watch it multiply. Dreams loud, look testify. Ceiling gone, that's open sky. Limit who? Tell me why. Cash flow, legacy in the making. Heart strong, no breaking. Equity, I'm taking. Victory, I'm taking. Energy a match when I step in. Confidence louder than a weapon. No fear living in my section. Only growth in my direction. Used to hope, now I expect it. Hard work always respected. Seeds planted, now collected. Future fully self-directed. Stay solid through the weather. Now the winds last forever. Different level altogether. Pressure only made me better. If the door lock, build another. If they doubt, rise above it. Turn the struggle into thunder. Let them hear when you coming. Cash flow, feel it in the heartbeat. Started in the shadows, not a front seat. Victory sounding like a drum beat. Whole ball wild cheering for the nosebleeds. Cash flow, this is what the grind do. Turn the fist to rich when you time boo. If they ask how, just remind them. Consistency defines. Stacks flows. Cash flow. Yeah. Cash flow. Turn the lights low, watch the stacks grow. Started with a dream, now it's all cash flow. Stacks. Heartbeat loud every time the back close. Came from the bottom, now the whole team glow. Cash flow, money talk, that's the combo. Every step calculated like a combo. No brakes, full speed, that's the motto. Rain turn gold when it drip on the poncho. Cash flow, never going back broke. Eyes on the prize, stay woke. Built the brick by brick, no joke. Now the safe can't close, overload. Late nights plotting at the blueprints. Now the view high, looking down through the new tent. Same ones that I wanna ask where the proof went. I just point at the numbers, that's the blueprint. No shortcuts, learn patience. Every loss turn less into greatness. Pressure made diamonds, no faking. Now the spotlight bright, no shaking. Remember cold days, no heat. Now the wrist so bright, made the night look weak. Stay 10 toes, didn't fold, didn't cheat. Now opportunity knocking every week. Yeah, I was quiet but determined. Tables turning, now the tide keeps surging. Hard work echo, that's the verdict. That's success, talk no sermons. Flow money talk, that's the combo. Every step calculated like a combo. No brakes, full speed, that's the motto. Rain turn gold when it drip on the poncho. Cash flow, never going back broke. Eyes on the prize, stay woke. But the brick by brick, no joke. Now the safe can't close, overload. Money haste, every feel the ground shake. Big vision only, never small stakes. Every move sharp like a chess play. Checkmate energy, that's headspace. People switch when the glow different, but loyalty the only code written. Circle tight, that's precision. Clear focus, tunnel vision. From nothing to something amazing. Now the horizon look adjacent. Fear try stopping the pacing. Bitch kept fueling the racing. Tatted out, take a vacation. I'm too locked in, no hesitation. Future bright, no simulation. Built an empire off dedication. Hands up if you came from the climb. If you turned every loss into a sign. Timing perfect, all aligned. Now to shine impossible. Cash flow, watch it multiply. Dreams loud, let them testify. Ceiling gone, that's open sky. Limit who? Tell me why. Cash flow, legacy in the making. Heart strong, no breaking. Every chance I'm taking, history I'm shaping. Energy a match when I step in. Confidence louder than a weapon. No fear living in my section. Only growth in my direction. Used to hope, now I expect it. Hard work always respected. Seeds planted, now collected. Future fully self-directed. Stayed solid through the weather. Now the winds last forever. Different level altogether. Pressure only made me better. If door locked, build another. If they doubt, rise above it. Turn the struggle into thunder. Let them hear when you coming. Cash flow feeling in a heartbeat. Stars in these saddles, not a front seat. Victory sounding like a drumbeat. Whole world watching from the nose blue. Cash flow, this is what the grind do. Turn the vision real when the times do. If they ask how, just remind them. Consistency defines you. Cash flow.